Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your USC credit union account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the USC credit union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings section in your account dashboard. This is usually found in a menu or under your profile options. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes. Options may include text messages, email, or an authentication app. Choose one and follow the instructions to link it to your account. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to you. Once verified, ensure you save your changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your USC credit union account. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without any issues.